How to link Social Club to your PSN. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can link your Social Club to PSN. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Social Club. Head over to socialclub.rockstargames.com and also log in into your account. After you've done that, tap on this profile icon on the top right, and then you'll see a lot of different options. Tap on this account section and let's head over to settings first. After you're on your settings, here you'll find this option that says linked accounts. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you'll find this option where you can link your PlayStation network to your social club. So tap on link now. After you do that, all you now have to do is tap on this link account option and go through your credentials, that is your email and password for your PSN account. So let this load, and there you go. All you have to do is go through the sign in process, and after you sign in, your accounts will be logged in, linked. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.